Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do live streams, we do makeup hauls, get ready with me's, we do sneak peek videos, and we also do giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, we have our Jeffree Star Supreme Valentine's Day box giveaway going on, and that will be linked down below. So definitely check it out if you have not already. And if you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. It's a little quirky, crazy sometimes, but we always have a good time. So definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button. But today we have our February 2020 Allure Beauty Box. For those of you that do not know, this is a $15 a month beauty subscription, and you always receive 5 to 7 products. Sometimes they're full size, sometimes this box knocks you like your socks off and you're like, what? Like December, we got a couple of full size Anastasia Beverly Hills products. And then there are other months where you're like, what? But I will say Allure, it kind of, in my opinion, outweighs, because the months that are really awesome, just like I said, they knock your socks off. And then you have the other months where you're like, okay, you still got your $15 worth. So either way, I think Allure is worth it. And I will put a link down below so you can definitely check them out if you have not already. But let's get in here and see what we got for February 2020. So whenever you open it, it looks like this. There's always a little pamphlet catalog on the front that always has a gorgeous, gorgeous lady on the front cover. And then inside it will go over what is in your box. It gives full-size pricing and it gives a description, but the description is actually more, instead of like from like the actual company, it's more of an opinion of one of the editors from Allure. So I will glance at those and read it if I feel it's necessary. Otherwise, we'll just kind of wing it with the products. So let's just go ahead and get in here and get started. So, well, it definitely looks full this month. So let's see what we got. So right here on top, I can already see is a brush, which I'll never knock a brush. All right, so this looks like, this is a NYX makeup brush. All right, so the makeup brush here feels very, very nice. So I'm happy with this. And it looks like you could have gotten, it was 3 different brushes. So let's see, does it tell us like what one you could have gotten? Let's see. Okay, so there would have been a Pro Contour brush, a powder brush, and their Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing brush. And I got the Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing brush. So like a tongue twister. And it says, this is amazing for depositing and smoothing pigments onto skin. The bristles are densely packed in a larger rounded shape to blend in foundation with more intensity than a fluffier version. So that is this guy right here. So I actually, of the 3, this would be the one that I would actually have chosen. So yay. And this obviously is full size, and it says the price is $14 to $17. So it just depends on which one you got. So basically you could just say this brush right here, one way or another, this basically paid for the box. So there is that guy right there. And then we have, this is from Bare Minerals, and this is their Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. Full size of this is $58. It says promote skin's vitality, replenish, infuse with moisture, renew, reawaken the look of youth, and fortify, enhance skin's resilience. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. It is non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested. So here is what it looks like. So let's see. All right, so here it actually is outside of the packaging. So it's a decent little size. I mean, if you're only using 1 to 2 pumps, you'll definitely get, I would say, at least a week or 2 out of this to see if you like it. So that is nice. All right, and then we got, this is from Allure Beauty. I really love Allure Beauty. I think they have amazing products. This is their after hours highlighter. Full size would be $30. And I'm guessing after hours is the shade. It's sealed. I don't know if you guys can see right there, but it is sealed with tape. I'm not going to open this because I will set this to the side for a future giveaway. I just typically don't tend to reach for single products like this or minis. So hopefully one of you guys will enjoy this. All right. And then we got, this is from Belief. I do love Belief. This is their Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. Jelly pudding mask? Yes. Lock and seal in explosive hydration overnight? Yes. Intensely moisturizes for a dewy glow? Yes. Dermatologically tested. I swear I can read and talk, y'all, I promise. So here's that. So it would obviously be a one-time use. But the full size, if you were to buy the actual like jar, is $34. After moisturizer, apply a thin layer evenly across your face, leave on overnight, and rinse off in the morning. So yeah, information I needed was on the product. So there is that. And that apparently was a variation. So you could have gotten that, or you could have gotten their, the Belief Peach Miracle Revital Eye Cream. So then we got, this is from Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Creme Lipstick in Muse. Right here. The packaging is interesting. And it has plastic on it, but like, it has plastic on it. But it's like sealed in the weirdest place to where I'm like, how do I get you off? Oh, like that. So, okay, so here is the packaging, and you pull that off, and then this you actually twist up. That's a really, really pretty shade. That's cute packaging. So that is obviously full size, and that is $21. Wow. All right. And then, all right, so they actually did not put a description in here of this, but it looks like we got an Olay Regenerist product right here. This was, again, not listed. It is on the back of the little pamphlet, but it doesn't say anything about it being in the box. And this is a little jar. So it's right here. So it's the Retinol 24 from Olay. This is a newer product right there. So there is that, guy. So I guess that was just maybe a little bonus. And then our actual final product is right here. This would be full size because it's a sheet mask. And this is from Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Mask. And this is $3. Let's see. Selected premium tea and rose extract contains antioxidant, brightening, and calming effects, which allow the skin to stay moisturized and rejuvenated. Jarrett Tea is our exclusive complex, a super beauty water made of moringa and lemon myrtle and kombucha. Is it kombucha or kombucha? Honey Jarrett's unique clean water complex soothes rough skin and provides natural vitality while moisturizing the skin. All right, so this I will also put to the side for a giveaway, only because I love sheet mask, but I don't really care for the scent of rose. So this will go to a future giveaway. So be on the lookout for that. So that was our Allure Beauty Box for not January, we're in February. January flew by so fast. For February 2020. Let me know your thoughts down below. Did you get the same products as far as where we had a couple variations? Let me know what you thought of this month's box. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.